Alright, we're going to put this bidet on the toilet here. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like and how to install it. Let's open the box up here and see what we got in the box. Okay. And there's the bidet right there. It's your business end of it. Little nozzles will pop out and spray. You got two nozzles, one for washing your bottom, one for feminine hygiene. Got your settings over here on it, and the hardness of the spray is where it hooks up to the water out. And it just sits on your toilet like this. Got some hardware to attach it. Let's just go through it. It's got a nice hardware kit, got a hose. Got some Teflon tape there. Got it on this one. Okay, that was just this side. These right here are the spacers. Got two rubber washers down the bottom side of this so it don't slip or scratch. Just clip into the bottom right here. Like this, that one goes right here. You should see them tight all the way around. Now sit down into the toilet. This stuff you'll use later after you get it attached. Then get our toilet seat. Has measurements on the side of it here, so you can check and see if you got the right toilet. When you do that, is you set your line up with your hole and bring the other to the front of the toilet and see if it reaches the front of the toilet before you open it up and be sure it's the right one for your toilet. Get this back in the back center, lined up in the toilet where it looks good, and then you get your pieces lined up with your holes. You want to be sure it's center to the back center of the toilet, tuck back as far as you can get it. Be sure these right here go in, lined up perfectly with your holes. Then you can just sit your seat right down on top of it. Line it up with the holes. And it comes with its hardware to hold the seat on. Screw down to the top. that goes on the bottom. And that's about where it's handy to have a screwdriver. Works really nice. Let me grab a screwdriver. You start and get snugged up just slightly, and then you line it all up. Make sure everything's lined before you tighten it down. But you want to get you started before you bother lining it up. Okay. Be sure you lined up both sides of the toilet with the front of the toilet. Got a good alignment. And be sure your day is lined up with the back center. And when it's all lined up, you can tighten her down. Toilet lid is done. Bidet is neatly in the back corner. Now it's the hardware. Comes with this easy to mount system, which will go directly underneath your tank, and then your hose will hook on here. You'll hook the hose back to here, back to the bidet. However, I'm not using this because I put a hot water outlet here so you can have warm water to the bidet. So I have a foam cut-off valve for it, so I don't ever need that system. And I find doing these just finger tight, if you get strong fingers, is better than using a tool on it, because tools, you'll just break it. You just wrap it around, or wrapped around and out of the way. Tighten it into the bidet. And there you are. Water's on. Be sure you don't have any leaks. If you have any leaks, you can just tighten up just a little bit tighter. And there it is. Bidet is installed.
That's good.
And there's your wash right there. Feminine wash. And then we'll turn it over here and give you another sprayer. Sprays a little bit higher and a little bit harder. Right here you can turn down. So it's just got a light spray, and then turn up to heavy spray, and then you can switch it to the feminine wash. Okay, it's your feminine wash, and then you can bring it over here to clean. And this mode here will clean the nozzles and clean any dirt that might have got on it. Cleans it out. And then to bring it over off, set this back over to feminine or set it over to washing your bum, and that's pretty much it. Got these little plastic things that go into the toilet seat so that it doesn't slam so hard. And this particular one comes with spacer blocks that you can attach to your toilet seat like this. If you were concerned about it sitting level, I find it doesn't need it because the toilet seat is flexible and it sits just fine like that.